Ka screening camp ba sngi haba ïadei bat ka Jingpang Klongsnam kabala long hapana ler Jowai kala kutno da ka jingwan shakmat jong ki spah prapun Ngut kibriu kibala Shah pet benya na East but West Jaiñtia Hills. Ya ka program la Pynlong da ka District Early Intervention Center haringkat ka jingisnok tilang bat ka Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences lem bat ka jingdan lang ki doktor bala pentabit kerpang na kanong ba kochi kibala Pynlong ya ka jingpet benya. Hadiin ka jingpet benya sa pulay ngut kinong pang kila Shah Jied na kabenta benya syakmat bat ka jingsumar kat bayah nriu puar ngut kiwei andang haban kemi benya biang hakini kinriu banai bat shisnam banwan. Hakajingkyrmen bat ka DD News Meghalaya u Dr. Mahesh K, Professor ka Pediatric Cardiology ha Amrita Hospital, ula banjer baka Jingpang Klongsnam ka long ka bakham kan reibha haki kylleng na du badangka bat baka jinglap bakham kloy ka jingpang bat ka jingsumar ha kapor babyang kanla banyarap shikat dei bat seiso ru kumju.
This is a very important issue because many children are born with defects of the heart. These defects are called congenital heart defects or CHD, and this is the most important of all the birth defects that human children are born with. And the very important thing is that many of these defects of the heart can actually be treated with surgery. And also very importantly, if you do not treat them, these defects of the heart can lead to very early death, including the newborn babies dying, or infants in their first year dying, or children less than 5-year-old dying early in their life. This can all be because of congenital heart defects. These defects include, for example, holes inside the heart. Sometimes the valve of the heart is blocked or it is leaking. Sometimes the arteries or veins of the heart are not correctly formed or are in their wrong position. So these are all very important defects of the heart, and they happen they just happen naturally, and it can happen to anybody. It's not necessarily because of an inherited disease or because parents had it, therefore babies have it. No, it's not like that. Anybody can have. And in the Meghalaya population also we find that these birth defects of the heart are quite common. They need to be identified very early in life, and they are identified usually by the doctors checking up and detecting some change in the sounds. They call it the murmurs, but then they can only be confirmed by doing echocardiography scans, where we use the scans to look inside the heart and to see where the defects are. If we can identify the defects early and on time, we can actually repair majority of these heart defects and give these children absolutely normal lives in the future. If they are repaired on time, they can go on to play sports, get married, have professions, have children, live life like any other normal person. Whereas if we do not treat them, they can either suffer from an early death, or otherwise they may also end up with a lot of disabilities, not able to work, not able to play, not able to marry, have children, etc. So it's very, very important that congenital heart diseases are recognized early and treated on time.
Ki officer kila ong baya ka Jingpang ba isubala itu nengkong dakikan hun Mobile Health Team ka Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram RBSK bat lapha pat siya ka District Early Intervention Center nakabenta ka jingpet bat jingkmi benya. Hadian katay ki Jingpang bala pentikna la Jied nakabenta ki jingsumar bakerpang. Kisaw pulay ngut kinong pang ki bala Shah Jied hakani ka kam ansapha siya kochi halaki kella nakabenta ka jingsumar klem dadan kam COAA hakalyang baro ki jinglut jingsam kalet kawan bat kiwe ki jingdan kam hapo jong ka RBSK program. Ki doktor kila kentui ki longïing kylleng ka Ri-lum Jaiñtia ban pentip ya ki Jingpang ki ba isuba bat ban shim kabu ya kani kala jingpet benya bat jingsumar ka badan lengba kani ka program. Kani ka sinjam ka kadawi ka jing don kam ban lap kloy ki dak kishin khnang ban yo le no hakapor ka babyang takaba ka jingkyrmen ka ban penthamai pat ya ka jingim jong ki tu ki kunlung khynnah ki bala ban shakta hakani ka Jingpang Klongsnam kylleng ka than. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.